guess what time it is? It's time for Asian Assembly! Hi, my name is Professor Johnny Kim Mahogany, and we're going to send you on an adventure, a journey through the many different regions of our world. So let's take a glimpse at how to get there.
Professor, I need your research. I will send 2 grunts after you.
Prepare for trouble.
Make it double.
You won't get away with this.
You'll see about that.
Well, it looks like Team Rocket is attacking my base, so I won't be able to give you your tour. Luckily, there are 3 trainers with you right now that can give that tour in my stead. So I'd like to introduce Ash, Brock, and Misty.
Hey. You guys want to go on an adventure?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You didn't mean like now, did you?
Oh,
I'm kind of.
Yeah, just you can finish that. Okay. I'm ready whenever you are.
And that's why I hate giraffes. Booty shorts, right?
I know! I was so sick, I was coughing.
Oh! Wait, Jenny? Jenny, don't go! Jenny, don't go! Come back here! Where'd you get these? They're pretty nice. Thrift shop. Can we go thrift shopping? Oh!
No.
Oh.
Are you guys tired?
Yeah, I'm a little tired.
It's uncomfortable.
There has to be a faster way to get to
There
where we're
does.
going.
I have an idea. Okay, guys, let's teleport.
Bad Abra.
Oh my god.
Dang.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening.
Tan lines. Crikey, it's a wild one. Oh my god. Run!
So where do you want to go next? Let's go to the track region.
Yeah, sounds good to me. What?
What? Do you know what that is behind us?
I think it's a wild track.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright.
track.
Oh no!
Track.
Oh no! Track is scary, man. I'm much more of a kid guy.
You ready? Yeah. Hands in. Asia on 3. 1, 2.